course, it's another beautiful, gorgeous day out here, and we're in Phoenix, Arizona, in a brand new community. It's called Western Garden, and our builder is Lennar. Oh my gosh, you're just going to love this house. This has a little bit of everything. How about an RV garage and a next gen home as well? 2604 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, RV garage. Absolutely stunning. Everything under one roof. What else could you ask for? And again, Phoenix, Arizona, in a subdivision. It's called Western Garden. Your builder is Lennar, and of course your realtor and me, Mary K. Marino. I would be honored to work for you. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's go show you this beautiful, beautiful home. And remember, leave me a comment below what you're thinking. And now let's go. Alrighty now, so we're standing in front of the Explorer. 2604 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and an RV garage, as you can see. But what you can't see yet, how about a next gen section inside that house? This is a really beautiful home, plus the area and the community is gated. Price on this one, not base, price on this home, $645. So let's go ahead and show you this one. You might actually like it. And it does say, come on in. So let's just go ahead and go on in. Here we go. This door right here is the door going to be to the next gen area. We're not going to go into that door right now. We're going to go into the main door, into the main house. So let's go ahead and go on in. Alrighty now. So we're standing right here in front of the front door. And as you can see right there is also an exit and an entrance from the next gen area. We'll go in there in a second. Right over here on the right, this is the garage door entrance. Yes, I will take you in there. In fact, I'll do it right now so I don't forget. So inside the garage door, this is one of the garage door bays. You're going to have, it's a split 2-car garage, but this is where your RV garage is right here. All the way down there. And I'm going to come on to the other side right here. So this is a 1-car bay. The other one was on the other side of the entrance for the next gen. So you have a very nice RV garage with a 2-car garage as well. So bringing you back inside to the main house, now that the garage door is done. And I don't forget that for you. So I'm going to go right back to the front door. And now we're going to start down. We're going to turn to the right, and here's your favorite room. Yay! No, it's definitely not mine. You know, cabinets above, washer and dryer. And then backing up, right next to that is going to be your coat closet. Then as we continue to walk in, this is going to bring us into the main part of the house, the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. Go ahead and enjoy. Alrighty now, so let's go ahead and bring you back into the kitchen. We have a very nice kitchen. It has a nice long island, comfortably seating 4. You might be able to get in a 5th, but probably not. But comfortably seating 4 right there. They're showing it with a stainless steel refrigerator, a gas stovetop and oven with a microwave right above. Very, very nice right here. And right next to that is your pantry. I'm going to turn the light on. This is a big pantry. I'm going to turn the light on just so that you can see it a little better, and voila. How about this? And it goes all the way up. This is a very nice sized pantry. You might need a ladder to get to those top shelves, which is fantastic. Another look of the kitchen. And I'll give you a look of the island on this side. When I'm standing in front of and in the center of the island, this is what your view is going to be. It's going to give you a look right into the dining and also into the family room area. So very open concept. It's very spacious. You're not going to feel cramped and crowded. With the dining table, you can put any size and shape there. You have plenty of space and plenty of room. And then right over to the left is going to be your family room. So you're not going to feel crowded at all. If you're going to have family gatherings, parties, or whatnot, a lot of space in here. And then of course they have those huge glass slider doors right there. It's a 3-panel slider door, but it's a huge slider door back there. Give you another look at the family room right here. Very, very spacious. It's very nice. And a lot of natural light does come in as well. What do you think of this one so far? That looks pretty darn nice if you ask me. Yeah, so as we walk past all this, I'm going to bring you into the guest bedrooms. So here we go, turning to the right. This is guest bedroom number 1. It has a window off to the side and slider door closets. Nice size bedrooms for sure. Very, very nice size. Backing up, shared bathroom. And they're showing it with a tub and shower combination with a nice window above the shower. And then backing out of that, and next to that is guest bedroom number 2. And again, window to the side. And then right around the corner is going to be your slider door closet. And also a window to the backyard. So this room is just a scooch bigger than the one that we were just in. And then right next to that is going to be your linen. Now I'll go all the way up for you. Look how high that goes. Oh my goodness, you're definitely going to need a ladder. See, I'm always asking for more shelves and now they're giving it to me. And then this brings us right back out into the dining. So I'm going to walk out and then turn around to give you a recap already. So behind this wall and around the corner, guest bedroom 1, shared bathroom, guest bedroom 2, linen. Turning around, and that brings us right into the dining, the family room, and then there's the kitchen. Very nice. So if we walk past all of this, go to the other side of the house, this brings us into the primary room. And look at this room. Nice and large. And you also get a couple windows. The big one goes out to the backyard. But I want to give you another angle of the room. Very nice size. Walking past this brings us right into the bathroom. Nice walk-in shower with a window above, and it also has a bench there. I want to show that to you as well. Very, very nice. Next to that, right here, I'll open this for you. That's going to be your water closet with, again, another nice window in there. Directly across from the shower is going to be your vanity. Hello! I hope you're having a marvelous day. And then here's the vanity. I'll go all the way up for you. There you go. And then turning to the right will take us into your walk-in clothes closet. High-low bars. That's fantastic. You got one bar, and then on the other side, high-low bars. Very, very, very nice. And then a nice large space for shoes, purses, and whatever else you want to put there. This is a nice size clothes closet. I'll come back to this side and turn around so you can see it again on this angle without making you too dizzy. And then as we exit, I'll give you another angle and another look at your vanity. And I'll go all the way up for you. And look at all the room right here. A lot of room in your bathroom. You're not going to feel crowded and cramped in here at all. And another look at your walk-in shower. So walking into the primary room, give you another angle. This is a nice room. And you have that nice big window out to the backyard. And then you have those 2 smaller windows. That's out to the side. Then as we exit, you have this other window to the backyard. So a lot of windows, a lot of natural light. As we exit, it brings us right back into the family room area. Isn't that nice? No, I did not forget the next gen. I'm going to take you there. So we're going to go back to the main part. So this is the nice wide hallway coming in from the front door. This is an entrance into the next gen. So they can come into the main house this way. So we're going to enter in here. And then we're going to go into the main part of the next gen living area. I always think that Lennar makes fantastic next gen homes. You have a nice seating area and then a full kitchen. Window out to the side, and then you also have another door going out to the side of the house. So if you want to put like a table, chairs, an umbrella, then the person who would be living in here, they have their nice little oasis and private area as well, and not have to bother you, and they may say to you, don't bother them. So I'm going to swing around, show you this angle. Very, very nice. And let me show you again, this is going to be the entryway in from the single car garage. On the other side, we had the RV garage and a single car garage. So if they're driving, they can park their car here, walk right on into their own part of the house. They're showing it with a gas stovetop oven and a microwave, stainless steel refrigerator. Give you a look on this side as well. Very spacious in here. Now this door here, they can enter in, or anyone can enter in here that they want to give a key to from the front courtyard. So as you're walking up from the front, you can either go into the main part of the house or the entryway right there into this next gen living area. And then as we walk past this, I'm going to bring you into the bedroom. They're showing it as an exercise room. Oh joy. A nice size window to the side of the house. And then right over here, as they usually do, they have a combination of a clothes closet and also washer and dryer. I don't know, for me, in my own opinion, I would rather not have the washer and dryer, give myself some more room and use the washer and dryer in the main part of the house. However, if they want their own, then they can put it right there and it would be a stackable washer and dryer. As we exit the bedroom, here is the bathroom. Nice vanity, walk-in shower, and then again, a nice window above the walk-in shower. Backing up, and then there's the door into the main part of the house, which I will bring you back in. Front doors right here. Garage door, laundry room, coat closet, then walking you back into the main part of the house. I would love to be able to take you outside. They don't allow that to happen. Everything gets locked up. But I want to give you a recap on this one right here. This is called the Explorer. 2604 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, RV garage for the price of $645,000. What do you think of this one? I mean, if you want a home with an RV garage, with a next gen, you have everything right here under the same roof. You just can't beat it. Let me know down in the comments what you're thinking. Alrighty, now here's the FYI for you, the home buyer. Anytime, every time you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. In fact, always remember to bring us. Why? Because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are, and they're going to be nice and sweet to you, who do you think they work for? They don't work for you. They work for the builder and the seller. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure that it turns out exactly the way you want it to turn out? Of course you do. That's why it's very important to make sure you call us so that we can be with you every step of the way. That's called exclusive representation. So very important here. Don't go inside and register. Don't go online and register, because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody watching over your back from beginning to end and everything in between. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. What are you waiting for? Give us a call. So what do you think of this house? This is like an all-in-one house. You have your RV garage, you have your car garage, you have your next gen, you have your main house. Everything under one roof. You just can't beat this. And again, where are we? Phoenix, Arizona, in a community called Western Garden, and our builder is Lennar. The HOA out here is a little bit on the high side, $199 a month. Woo! And what exactly do you get? Actually, you know what? You get a lot. And one of the top things that you get with it is high-speed internet. So if you were to subtract out that high-speed internet, it equals out to a very affordable HOA. So I have to read off exactly what you get. High-speed internet, you do get a nice large resort-style pool. You get playgrounds, parks, basketball courts, pickleball courts, picnic areas, grassy parks to walk your two-legged and your four-legged kids. What a great deal out here in Western Garden. And also as a reminder, this is a gated community, so that's a little bit why it's a little bit on the higher side. So if you're looking for a home that has a next gen and an RV garage home, you definitely may want to consider this one. And remember, if you would like to have a brochure and a guide that I offer, the do's and don'ts of buying a new build, all you have to do is text me. The number on the screen, text new, and I'll send that out to you. I do want to break up the square footage on this house so that you have an idea what it is. The main part of the house, excluding the next gen area, is 1936 square feet. The next gen area, the square footage is 668 square feet, equaling 2604 total square feet for this home. And again, the price on this is $645,000. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. If you're interested in this home or any other home in this community or in another community, all you have to do is let me know and we would be happy to help you. And in case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in-state, out-of-state, or even out of the country, that's perfectly fine with us, because after all, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay, because we want to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across the finish line to home ownership here in Arizona. So like I always say, till I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.